Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a leaf wing from Wings of Fire. Now, we have a lot to fit in on this piece of paper, so I'm going to draw a little bit smaller just so we can get everything in, the body, the wings, and the tail. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to start the eye. So right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and then down like this. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line in here for the eye. Then right above it, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and down for the eye ridge. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to kind of curve it up and then down like this, just to kind of form where the horn is going to be. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then it's just going to come down like this. I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves up and then it's going to curve down. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up and down, and then I'm just going to go up and then down like this. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes up and down for a little bump. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come back down for the horn. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve back. And then I'm just going to make a little line that curves right here, just to kind of show that the horn is kind of wavy. For the ear, you want to draw a line that just kind of curves out, and then it's just going to come back like this. A little bit like Shrek's ear. Put a little curved line on it. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up, down, and then it's going to curve back up here for the jaw. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up and down for the other horn. And then another one right here. Then you want to make a little pointy line like this, kind of like a triangle. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to kind of come back like this. I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves out, and then it's going to do the same thing. You don't want it to get too skinny. Then I want to start with the leg. So the leg kind of runs into the wing. So I'm going to start right here by the back of the neck, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this. Kind of has two little bumps. I'm going to bring it back and then down like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down, and it's going to come back for the foot. Draw a line that just goes up. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it around here. Then I'm going to make a little curved line for the other toe, and then one more there. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this line down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this right into the wing. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this. I'm going to draw a little kind of bumpy line on here for a little claw. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. And then I'm just going to keep it real skinny and then bring it back to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm going to draw another one. This one's going to go out a little bit longer. Keep it real skinny and then come right back to here. I'm going to draw one right here, and this one's going to be a little bit shorter. And then I'm going to make one more right here. This one's going to be pretty short too. Keep it real skinny though. It's kind of like these are long fingers coming out. Then I'm going to draw this line down to here. I'm going to make one real little skinny one go out and then come back. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come right down here and connect to here. You can see how the arm is kind of like one big long piece. Now I want to connect these, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go right to here. One that's going to curve right to here. This one's going to kind of go up and down. This one will do the same. And then this one I'm going to curve right to here. And then I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and down. It's going to end right there. Now, starting here, we're going to make the other back leg. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down at an angle like this. I'm going to draw a little curved line like this. One right here. One right here. And then one right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes in, and I'm going to curve up and in. Then I'm going to go out, and I'm going to curve right up to here for the leg. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up, and then down again. Now, starting right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and I'm going to bring it all the way out to here, and then it's just going to curve up for the tail. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to do the same thing. As I curve this around, I want it to get skinnier and skinnier until it reaches the very end. And then I'm going to put a little kind of round shape around it for the end, so it looks like a little leaf. Now for some details along the back of the neck. So, starting right here, I'm just going to add some long, skinny little spikes kind of coming out of the neck, and they're just going to kind of travel down the neck. And I'm going to make them a little bit smaller as I get right to here. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line right in between each one. Then I'm going to add some long kind of spikes right back here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to add the little curved lines right in between each one. And then I'm going to add a couple more right here, and these are going to be a little bit different. I'm going to put 4 there. Actually, I'll put 1 more. I'll make 5. And then these are just going to kind of curve back a little bit of a line, kind of like they're little leaves forming. Now, let's draw that other wing back here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did before, draw a line that just kind of curves up. It's going to come back for where the thumb is. I'm going to have one long skinny line that comes right up here, and that's going to come right back to about there. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go down. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then up, and then this one's just going to go over and down, just to kind of show where the other wing is. Now, we want to add these other legs. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to go straight down like this. Make a little curved line for a toe. I'm going to come back and just going to go up at an angle and over. Make another little toe here. This leg I'm going to go down at an angle and then straight down. Little line that just kind of curves up and down, goes over, curves up and down again. Just going to kind of curve up and then go up at an angle. Okay, so this is our basic drawing of our hive wing. Now we want to add some details, and there are a lot of details. So if I go a little bit too fast during this, just make sure you hit that pause button and just kind of slow it down. So let's start on the face. Now, I'm going to add a little curved line for the nostril and then a little line that goes right around it for the nose. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve right around here, and then it's just going to go to here. And then I'm just going to add these little curved lines going around there for kind of like a little scale pattern. Then I'm also going to do the same thing right down here. Just draw a little line that goes down. And then I'm just going to make these little lines that go across just for a little scale pattern. Then I'm just going to continue the scale pattern right up here, right along the stomach. And then I'm going to go right down to the tail and do the same thing. Now, right here on the arm, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here. And then I'm going to add some more of those little curved lines for more scales. I'm going to add another long line that just goes right down to here. And then I'm going to add more of those little curved scale patterns. Then I'm just going to add some kind of like different oval shapes kind of all along the legs of our leaf wing, just because they have lots of different like scales kind of coming all over the place. So I'm just going to add a few different ones on here. Just going to add them kind of all over the place. Kind of add some in between here just to show some different things. Kind of have some going around the edge here as well. Make some curved lines up here for some scales. I'm going to add some little curved lines going right down the head. And then I'm going to put a few little small circle shapes going down the face. Some curved lines right on the horns as well. Then I'm going to put a few little kind of bumpy, curvy lines on here going down the tail. And then I'm going to put a couple little diagonal lines on there. A few more kind of random scales in some different spots. And then just some different ones right around here. They can just be kind of random all over the place. And then just kind of fill up both legs with some different scale patterns. You want to give your dragon claws on each of the toes. Give them sharp little claws. And then there's also going to be a claw right up here and up here. And then each one of these are going to have a claw at the end of it. Now, On the wings here, there's a really cool kind of like leaf pattern on the wings. So I'm just going to draw a little bit of this, and we're going to try to color in a lot of this when we color this. So I'm just going to add a couple little diagonal lines going down here, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I'm kind of lining them up and just going right down here to kind of make a little leaf shape. This one's going to have just a few curved lines on it. They don't really line up with anything over here. And then this one's going to have a line down, and then this one's going to kind of have like a triangle shape pattern. And then this one's going to have a line that goes right to here, and it's kind of like another little triangle shape pattern, but just kind of going sideways now. And then right here on the eye, I'm going to add a little curved line, and I'm just going to color it in. And there you go, there's your drawing of a leaf wing from Wings of Fire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.